Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix line break not adding links. So if you're facing an issue where line breaks are not adding links on your Wix website, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Now, ensure that you correct HTML formatting for links. So, first of all, go to editor on your Wix website and ensure that the link tag, that is a tag, is not broken or placed improperly between line breaks. The link should be entirely within the text. Now, sometimes a simple line break, that is BR, can cause issues with links. So ensure that you're using paragraph tags, that is P tag, instead of just line breaks when adding content with links. To create a new line, ensure that link works and use enter key to create paragraphs rather than adding the BR tags manually. If you're adding a link to text inside a text box, double click the text box to open the text editor, highlight the text where you want to insert the link and use the link button in the text editor toolbar to insert the link. This will ensure that the link is applied properly and will prevent any issues with line breaks. Now, if you're working with custom code or using the Wix Core with Velo editor, ensure that the code doesn't interfere with the line break functionality. Check your custom code to ensure that any JavaScript or Wix Velo code is not preventing links from being rendered properly. Ensure that the code does not override or disrupt the HTML A tag behavior when applying line breaks. Now, if the link is not showing correctly after a line break, there could be an issue with styling or CSS. Open the inspector tool and check if CSS rules are hiding or distorting the link. Now, look for CSS that might be overriding the visibility or styling of the link after the line break, such as display is none or visibility could be hidden. Now, sometimes Wix text boxes might glitch or fail to display links correctly. If you are still experiencing issues, try deleting the text box and adding a new one. After adding the new text box, reinsert your links and check if the problem is resolved. Now, in some cases, the issue may be due to cached data in your browser. So clear your browser cache by clicking on three-dotted icon in the top right, clicking on settings, navigating to privacy search and services, click on clear browsing data, click on choose what to clear and click on clear now. Test again to see if the links now works properly with line breaks. Now, sometimes certain browsers may cause display issues for links, especially after link breaks. Make sure that your website looks good in different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. Test your website in incognito mode and try a different browser to see if the issue persists. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue line breaks not allowing links to be added properly on your Wix website. Let us know if the issue persists and I can assist further.